The prickly pear cactus is comprised of a wide range of species. Some grow along the desert floor, reaching only a foot or so in height. Other prickly pears grow as high as 10 or 15 feet in height, forming a thorny forest. Some species have large or small oval-shaped pads, while others have long beaver tail-shaped pads. Some prickly pears have long spines, others have short, dense spines, and some have virtually no spines at all. The prickly pear cactus presents a visual feast in a variety of colors when they bloom in the spring. Prickly pears have tough, wax-coated green pads that retain moisture through long periods of drought. As these pads age, they change their shape and look like tree trunks. The pads not only grow spines, but also new pads and fruit. The prickly pear pad and its fruit offer a long list of potential medical and health benefits. The fruit juice is used by some to control blood sugar levels. The bees pollinate the flowers and the sun ripens the fruit. We have cut one in half so you can see inside. The seeds and the fruit are red in color. There are many stickers on the shell of the fruit, so be careful if you go near them. It is sweet tasting and finger looking good. One of the insects that makes its home on the cactus is the colochia insect, which feeds on the moisture and the nutrients in the cactus. When crushed, the bug gives off a bright red liquid. It has been long used as a dye for food coloring and cosmetics. The fruit and the pads serve as key ingredients in a growing list of products, including jelly, candy, marmalade, syrup, and a variety of beverages. They were also used in drinks such as the prickly pear margarita and the prickly pear wine cooler. Many of these products are available on Desert USA's online store.